Good evening, students. Today I am going to start the topic mirror formula and magnification. Actually, distance of object from pole, it is called object distance, object distance, and it is denoted by letter U. So, distance of object from pole, it is called object distance and it is denoted by U. Distance of image from pole, this is called image distance and it is denoted by the letter V. One more thing, distance of principal focus from pole, it is called focal length and it is denoted by F. Distance of object from pole, it is called object distance and represented by U. Distance of image from pole, it is image distance and it is represented by V. And distance of principal focus from pole, it is called focal length and it is denoted by F. So, the relation between these three quantities U, V and F is called mirror formula. Okay. The relation between these three quantities U, V and F is called mirror formula. According to this, one upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. This is mirror formula. We will use this mirror formula to solve the problem, numerical problem related to the spherical mirror. Our next point is magnification. Magnification. What is magnification? It is actually the ratio of height of image to the height of object is called magnification. The ratio of height of image to the height of object is called magnification, and it is denoted by the letter M. Okay, so magnification is equal to height of image upon height of object. We can write it like this: M equal to H dash upon H, where M means magnification, H dash is height of image, and H is height of object. We can write the magnification in term of object distance and image distance, like M equal to H dash upon H, and this is equal to minus V upon U. So we can use this relation where M is magnification, H dash height of image, H is height of object, V means it is image distance, and U means it is object distance. So in this way we can use the formula to find the magnification produced by a spherical mirror. So now you all can take a screenshot of it. Now I am going to tell you some points so that you can easily solve the numerical problem related to spherical mirror. Now, as you know, object is always placed in the left side, so object distance it is U, and it is always taken as negative. We will put the sign convention, so the distance of object is always taken as negative. And for concave mirror, focal length f is taken as negative, and for convex mirror, focal length f, it is taken as positive. Okay. One more thing, height of object, because object is always upright or erect, so height of object it is h, and it is always taken as positive. We will use the sign convention positive. And if magnification produced by mirror is negative, it means the image is real and inverted. Okay. If magnification is negative, then image is real and inverted, and if magnification produced by mirror is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Okay, so take these things in mind. You can very easily solve the numerical problem related to spherical mirror. Object, because object is always placed in the left side of spherical mirror, so object distance is always taken as negative, and if mirror is concave, so focal length is negative, and if spherical mirror is convex, then focal length is positive. Height of object is always taken as positive. If magnification produced by spherical mirror is negative, then the nature of image will be real and inverted, and if magnification produced by spherical mirror is positive, then the nature of image will be virtual and erect. So thank you, students. You can use this to solve the numerical problem.